I'm going to transport you, Peter, to another level.
Alison, you can transport me anywhere.
Can't wait for this. This is incredible that we are taking the opticians to them. And do you think they're going to love the fact that Alison Hammond is rocking up with us today?
I don't know about that. We're going to have to check out your tea making skills because there's nothing they like better than putting the kettle on.
Just call me Alison Hammond, tea maker extraordinaire.
Right, here we go.
Yes, I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah. Come on, let's do this. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's give them a knock. Hello.
I'm the new recruit. Lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you.
Well, I'm left-handed.
Oh,
But
lovely.
I'm always right.
Oh.
I don't think she'll agree with that, do you? No.
Guys, do you want me to get a cup of tea? Sure. Thanks for trusting me with the tea, everybody. Thank you so much.
Cheers,
Well, I
everybody.
haven't drunk it yet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she gets a score out of 10.
Have a try, you're going to enjoy it. When did you meet Barbara?
Oh, at the youth club. You noticed me, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Who couldn't notice you, Peter?
Well, my mother said to me, don't chase the girls, they'll chase you. So I
She's
did.
probably right. Yeah. And who's all this bunch up on the wall?
Oh, those are all the family, because 2 daughters live in Australia and New Zealand. So
Wow.
that was our 50th wedding anniversary in Mexico.
It's a really good collage. It's so lovely to see photos around the house.
Yeah. Memories. Memories.
Memories are the
great,
best,
aren't
aren't they? What difference has it made to your life, Peter, having the opticians actually come to you?
To go to the opticians, we've got to park by the road, cars are whizzing past. So it's very stressful before I can even get in the shop.
Yeah, you need a lie down after that, don't
Yeah, you do.
And what are you after today? Are you having some new glasses then?
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah.
I want the works.
You want it all. I'm just going to get our lovely Jules comfortable. This is our chair.
Oh, okay.
Do you like this?
You have to see how she plays you a tune on it.
Peter, you're in good hands.
I realise that.
Have a look at this.
Try that
again.
I can see you're a trainee, Alan.
She was too busy looking at herself.
Yeah, I think I'll stick with that.
Come and have a look.
Where's my Barbara?
I've chosen these ones.
A little bit bigger.
Oh, yes.
And he's still got his comfort bridge.
And it's gold, like what he wants. It looks good.
Perfect.
I have to
stick
get
with
a
that.
grey watch now.
Yeah.
Guess what I've got in the other room?
What have you got?
What have you got?
A jukebox.
Stop it.
Of course it
Come on,
does,
let's have a
yeah.
look.
Right, okay.
Let's take them glasses off. Oh, this is lovely. It's like being transported back in time. I love this. I want to dance.
A little performance.
Thank you, Barbara.
You have been
you.
an absolute
You're so lovely.
star, you
Mwah.
have.
See you, Babs.
Oh, bye-bye. You've been lovely, thank you.
And you have too. See you later.
Thank you very
Take
much.
care.
What I've realised is this is not just a job, is it?
Not really. I mean, we do a great eye test, give them lovely glasses, but we also get to know them a little bit, don't we?
I mean, he wanted to show us his jukebox, didn't he?
He did, and it was gorgeous, actually.
So nice.
We don't normally get a chance to dance.
It was lovely.
I think that was your influence a little bit.